Now this is the place where the installable files are available. Savvion comes with an evaluation license, which is a license.xml file. However, if you have a production capacity license available, you can copy that file into this folder. Double click on the install prompt. This might take a while depending on what kind of a server you are actually installing on. In this particular example, we are using a simple desktop machine, Core 2 quad processor with 4 GB RAM. Okay, so now we have the welcome screen with us. We will click on next. I accept. Next. This is asking where we want to install the Savvion server. C:/SBM6 is fine. Next. The host name of this particular machine, which is comp05. Next. Now, assuming that you are using a default Savvion installation with no other identity management like Active Directory or LDAP, we can use the standard business manager credentials. So I'll give the password as EBMS, confirm it as EBMS. Next. Now it asks me what is your processor type. I'll choose 32-bit. Okay, now Savvion needs a particular application server to run on. Pramati as well as JBoss community comes embedded into the system. If you have other servers like WebLogic or a JBoss Enterprise, you can choose it here. Now my personal favorite happens to be Pramati server because it is very fast, it is very simple, and in most of the scenarios it's pretty good enough to provide you service. Some users also use JBoss, again a very popular option. So I'll choose next. These are the ports. Now Savvion uses multiple ports, some for the EJB server JNDI, some ports for JMS, for remote ANT, and so on. So we'll leave these as default. We'll click on next. This creates a web URL. We'll need to remember this is comp05:18793. Next. This is there in case you want to send out notification emails. So in my case, my mail server happens to be mail.constonline.com. The administrator email we'll put at, let's say, notification@constonline.com. Even the BizLogic email as notification@constonline.com. We'll click on go to advanced email properties. Next. Now it asks me what are the details for my mail server, which I'll put in here. The password. Now my server happens to be a secure SMTP server, that is why the password is required. You may not need it. You can contact your administrator for this. Next. Now it asks me what kind of a realm I'm looking for. If you have an LDAP server configured already in your firm, use the LDAP realm. If you don't have one, use the JDBC realm. When you're using JDBC realm, the users and groups will be created into the Savvion database itself. On the other hand, if you choose LDAP realm, these would directly connect to your server. The LDAP hybrid realm allows you to do both of them together.